You get into music, the whole story.
Well, we conducted an interview in Amharic, and I told you this is long story. But just briefly, I would say I was a teenager, and some youngsters, young fellows, Oromo youngsters, they gathered, and they established a group called Afran Qal'oo. To sing in Oromo language, when those days was like a taboo, like almost impossible to sing in Oromo language. But these courageous young fellows, they came together and they formed a group called Afran Qal'oo, and they started playing modern Oromo music with modern lyric. And I was a young fellow at the time. I was a teenager. I saw them. I was saying, well, this is possible. And I asked the late poet, lyricist of Oromo called Abu Bakr Musa to write me a lyric called Birraa. And he wrote me that, and I just composed a melody on that lyric, and I joined the group Afran Qal'oo, and it was an Eve for Ramadan, and I went sang, and I sang on the stage that new song, and it get a big feedback from the people. The people liked it, and from there on I just started singing, composing, and developed my skill of singing and stuff like that.